Today is Trans Day of Visibility, a day for honoring the contributions of trans people and acknowledging the discrimination they face in our country. President Biden marked the day today with a proclamation from the White House, and the White House posted this from him online, quote, "On Transgender Day of Visibility, we want you to know that we see you just as you are, made in the image of God and deserving of dignity, respect, and support. We'll never stop working to create a world where you won't have to be brave just to be yourself." But for trans people in our country this year, so much depends on who controls the state government where you live. In Minnesota, Democrats control the state House, the state Senate, and the governorship right now. And they're passing legislation now to effectively make Minnesota a refuge for trans people who travel there seeking, among other things, medical care. In Nebraska, Democrats are in the minority there, but those Democrats have been using what power they have, even in the minority, to filibuster every single bill. They are filibustering every single bill in the legislature just to try to stop Republicans from going after trans kids. And look, here's news tonight from Tennessee, another state where Republicans control the government. In Tennessee, Republicans spent the day today waiting for their new ban on drag to take effect at midnight tonight. Nice timing, guys. Thanks to a Republican-passed law, as of midnight tonight, it was set to become illegal in Tennessee to have a drag performance anywhere a minor might conceivably be present, which, of course, is anywhere. Repeat offenses could put you in prison for up to 6 years. Well, we can report right now that Tennessee Republicans are going to be waiting longer than midnight for that, because tonight, since we have been on the air, a federal judge has put a hold on that new law. Judge Thomas Parker is a Trump appointee. He wrote this in his ruling, quote, "Within our country's federal framework, states are laboratories of democracy that can test laws and policies enacted by the people. Even still, these experiments are not without constraints. The U.S. Constitution, a law that is supreme even to the Tennessee General Assembly's acts, has placed some issues beyond the reach of the democratic process. First among them is freedom of speech. If Tennessee wishes to exercise its police power in restricting speech it considers obscene, it must do so within the constraints and framework of the U.S. Constitution. This court finds that, as it stands, the record here suggests that when the legislature passed this statute, it missed the mark." Again, the Tennessee ban on drag was supposed to take effect tonight at midnight, but it will now be on hold while this federal legal challenge plays out.